How to enable floating video in Brave browser. So all you need to do is to open any video. You can open YouTube video, and once you are here in the right top corner area in this menu bar, find this music icon. Simply click it and click this little icon. It's gonna move that video into picture in picture. So for example, if you go to another site, there is the picture in picture video in this little window, and from here you can make it bigger or make it smaller. You can play it or stop it. You can grab the timeline and move the video, and also move forward 10 seconds the video or move back 10 seconds. Also, if you want to move this picture in picture window, you can just click and grab it and move it where it fits you. If you look into tabs, here you can see this little icon, and it shows you that this tab is playing a video in picture picture. If you want to change it back, click this middle option and you are back to tab. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.